Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far. Today I'm going to show you how to turn the background color when you are using a gradient color. So look at that, my Kung Fu Cat. This is a simple design of here. As you can see, I'm using right now a gradient color, and I want to turn this dark color over here going up to the topper level. How to make that one, so I'm going to show you. So most of us, maybe if you are a beginner, and we think Canva, firstly, that we have here solid colors at gradients color that Canva provide us. When you're using Canva gradients color here, so for example, like here linear gradient, automatically we want styles or positions how to turn this one. So to turn this color over here, you just click back again on the topper here on the dashboard. And yes, again, click it there. And here, there's a lot of styles. And once you click it, yeah, you can turn the colors. So it will give you options how you want the colors, positions. And now the problem is, only these styles limited here. So if you want to change the position of this color, okay, for example, like this one, you want this dark blue here going up on the topper level. So all you're gonna do is you just click the dark blue and then hold your mouse and then swap on the other side, and then it will change automatically. So that's the way how to turn that one, the position. And if you want to add some more color, for example, like white, that's the way how to. And if you want to turn this position to move this white color going to the topper level, you just swap. You just click it and hold, and then after that, release. So that's the way. And if you want to put in the middle, yes, absolutely, you can do it. So the same thing, right? So that's the way how to figure out when you have a design and you want to turn the positions of the dark color and light color. So that's the way. Now I have here the position of the dark color on the lower position. So I want to change to the upper level. How? So the same way, just click and drag on the other side. That's it. Or this one, white color going to this side. So both way you can do it. That's the way how to turn the positions of the colors when you are doing a design. Okay, guys, that's it. That's the things that I want to show you, and I hope you enjoy my Kung Fu Cat. Thanks, guys. If you think this tool is useful, you can subscribe and share with your friends. But if you don't want to get any notification from this channel, you don't have to do it. You just keep watching. All right. Bye-bye. See you again. Boom, boom.